we have a daily stand-up flow that we run every day. It's great for our team's productivity and kind of cross-functionality and seeing what everybody in the company is working on. Our company is somewhat small, so this works on a company basis, but if you have a bigger team or a bigger company, you might break this down by your individual team or your individual department or whatever. But this is across our whole company. So it's cool. You can scroll through here and see what everybody in assembly is working on for that day. And if you're looking at the insights for it, this is a little bit different. This is a daily survey, but we have a little bit more participation and we have slightly different blocks. So just to kind of show you what this looks like to correlate it to what you're seeing here, we have this drop down. How are you feeling about the week? We have, what did you get done yesterday? We have, what do you plan on doing today? And then we ask if anybody has any obstacles. So just to kind of show you what this is going to look like in the data. So we understand what this part means. We have this block by block. So you can see, you see all of the options in this dropdown and you see what people are choosing. So again, this is a daily thing. So we have a lot of data in here. 350 people are ready to crush every single day. 255 people have responded, or 255 times people have responded excited. We have meh options, happy, and yikes. Fortunately, not a lot of yikes in there. What did you get done yesterday? That's the open-ended. And then these are all open-ended ones. So you can do with this what you want, but just showing you like drop-down data is represented in this way.